Kumar as well, thank you for coming. I'm sorry I don't speak Tamil as yet, but I'm learning very, very quickly. I know Sapat, Tani and Pondati, but within a few months I will learn Tamil because you're all my people. Bombay is not my home anymore, Chennai is my home, and you're all my people. My name is Nikolai Sachdev, I haven't met you all before, so I'd like to introduce myself. And I'm married to this beautiful woman who you all know very well. She said after marriage she wanted to change her name. Of course, she will never lose Sarat Kumar in the middle, but she wanted to have Varadakshmi Sarat Kumar Sachdev. But I will not have that. She will always remain and retain her name as Varadakshmi Sarat Kumar. I will be taking her name. So I will be known as Nikolai Varadakshmi Sarat Kumar Sachdev. And so will my daughter. So Sarat Kumar, his legacy, and my wife's legacy will live on forever. So that's what I'm going to do for my wife. You all know my wife very well, and I thank you so much for loving her and supporting her dreams. I've known her for many, many years. She may be married to me, but I'm not her first love. I'm not her favorite love. Movies is her only love. I come second. So I just want to tell you all that we've just got